It was 3:17 a.m. when the doorbell rang. I opened my eyes slowly, thinking I imagined it. Then it rang again, longer this time. No one ever visits at 3 in the morning. My heart started beating faster. I grabbed my phone. 3:17 a.m. Exactly. The house was completely silent. I got up and walked toward the front door. Each step felt heavier than the last. I looked through the peephole. Nothing. The porch was empty. No cars. No neighbors. No movement. Just darkness. I hesitated, then slowly unlocked the door and opened it. Cold air rushed past me. The street was silent. Too silent. Then I heard something. A soft sound. Behind me. From inside the house. I turned around slowly. And that's when the doorbell rang again. But this time, it wasn't coming from outside. It was coming from upstairs.